temperature. This is the, here having on holes. Here having the holes. So you go to insert the holes, then you go to MC lit here. So automatically this is the temperature 1. So this is the temperature 1. This is the temperature 1. Then you got to put on the temperature 2. Temperature 2 is the inlet water temperature. This is the inlet water. You are putting the water is there, that is inlet water temperature is, this is the inlet water. Similarly one holes is there. This is T2. Then temperature 3. Temperature 3 is the, this is the temperature 3. This is the copper tube, the circulated water outlet. Here you are having the one holes, you have to insert that one. Then you go to MC lit. So this is temperature 3. Then temperature 4 is the, this is the atmospheric temperature. This is the atmospheric temperature or solar panel temperature. You have to touch in the solar panel means solar panel temperature will come. Otherwise this is the atmospheric temperature. Like that way you are touching here means atmospheric temperature will come. So this is the 4 thermocouples you are connected here. Jet type thermocouples. Then these are half inch gate valve. This is quarter inch gate valve. Then this is also quarter inch gate valve. The copper tube all are having quarter inch copper tube. Then this is glass fill station, 30 liter capacity, so 25 liter capacity water tank. So you have to fill the 75% of water. Then you have to open this gate valve. Then automatically the water will be circulating. Then any other places the leakage will be there, you got to put on MC. So electricity also coming from here. The electricity output is here. This is the electricity output. The 2 wires will be there now. So this is the electricity output. You have to connect to the battery. You have to connect the battery means the battery will be charging. So electricity power also will be coming, hot water also coming output. So 2 output is coming, this single system. This is called a combined system of solar water heater cum electricity generation system. Then in power supply we need the 230 volt AC plug supply. You have to put on the 230 volt plug, then you have to switch on these things. Automatically the system will be working. The system will be working. This is the concept for a matchback sector. So now we are heating the T4 temperature. Now the temperature will be increasing. Now 33 degrees Celsius. Now temperature will be increasing. Sorry, 4th. Not 4th. This is only 3rd one.
Second, sir. Second.
Now 75, 81, 82, 89. Similarly it will be working. So T2 is the room temperature. T1 is the hot water outlet. So you got to check here. You are having 4 outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is going the wire? That is the temperature connection. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 channel extra will be there. If you want to thermocouple you are having means 2 thermocouple extra you go to connect it. So this is the connection. You go to MC lit. All the thermocouple you go to MC lit. Then any leakage will coming also you go to MC lit. So this is the concept of the water heater cum electricity generator. We are now the Kati Kamchala. In tracking purpose, we are removing the, here also we are removed, here also we are removed. Now we are having the 2 bolt nut. We are having a 2 bolt nut. You have to remove, you have to fix this bolt nut there. You have to remove the bolt nut means automatically panel will be coming out. In packing purpose, we are packed here. This will be separately packed. You have to put the bolt nut in your place. You have to fix the bolt nut here. Similarly, we will pack the temperature meter also separately. So you have to clamp it here. So this is the clamp. So you have to use the clamp. You have to fix the clamp here. That's all. So we have to packing. This frame stand is separately, solar panel separately. Then this will be combined put on here. So 2 packing will come.